Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to report to you that things boiled very nicely at the Milimani Law Courts yesterday during the hearing of the impeachment case of your only son of Mau Mau, Rigathi Gachagua. Something that I find to be strange happened between Laikipia Women Representative Cate Waruguru and Gachagua's lawyer Danstan Omari, and it really captured my attention. The two were seen hugging passionately and exchanging pleasantries inside the Milimani courtroom. I'm going to show you the video in a matter of seconds. Meanwhile, I would like to request you to hit the like button, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. Now, here's the video in its entirety. Had the cameraman slept on the job, we wouldn't have had an opportunity to see this wonderful clip. Now, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Eh? Are you really thinking what I'm thinking? I agree with what's in your head. This can as well be a typical example of a corporate wife and an office male bestie. If you think Danstan Waruguru scenario is insignificant, then let it be known to you that this is exactly how your wife embraces her office male bestie. And unfortunately, there's not much you can do about it. Now, come on guys, don't overthink as I did when I first saw the clip. Maybe that was just a legal hug, if that word can suffice, or if there is anything like that. Danstan Omari and Cate Waruguru found themselves in court at a very critical moment when the Constitution and the rule of law was in question, and one had to read between the lines of the sacred constitutional rule to see whether it could favor their client or not. A little hug from somebody who knows how to smile could go a long way in easing the tension. You guys know what I mean. At this point, I think not much had taken place in court. Rigathi Gachagua's sympathizers, the likes of Gathoni wa Mushomba, Njeri Maina, Cate Waruguru, and Nyandarua Senator John Medhu, had just arrived to give company to the husband of the boy-child champion, Pastor Dorcas Rigathi. Meanwhile, Gachagua's top lawyers, including senior counsel Elisha Ongoya and Danstan Omari, were planning. What were they planning? They were planning to challenge the authority of the bench that was sitting to hear the case. Now, look at how Gachagua sat calmly as his councils worked things out. Have a look. I'm sure you won't find this analysis in the mainstream media, but I'm here to show you what the mainstream media may not show you. Now, that aside, Gachagua's court appearance on 22nd is obviously part of his ongoing effort to delay the impeachment process. The question is whether the government will reinstate his staff and security, because as long as the impeachment matter is still in court, as long as the impeachment matter is still not settled, Gachagua is still legally the deputy president of Kenya. His actions are clearly focused on stirring public sympathy and shifting attention away from other national issues. Presenting himself as a victim, Gachagua's intention is to evoke emotions and prolong the inevitable, the impeachment, all while manipulating the public narrative. Now, this is a calculated effort to distract and extend the timeline, keeping the focus on his portrayal rather than the actual political situation. Political observers like Gideon Kideka agrees with this analogy that I've just given. Now, at the end of the day, guys, this is just my opinion. Do let me know your thoughts and ideas in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative content such as this one. Cheers.